here. You're watching Turbo Details. Today we've got a disaster Fiat 500 from 2016 with dog hair and dog barf. Get into the video. Enjoy listening to a bit of radio here. We had car radio playing just for some extra enjoyment. Donovan spent a good old 3 hours here vacuuming the carpets and seats of this vehicle. I can't even describe how pesky this dog hair was. Now we're using a pump sprayer here to apply our PNS carpet bomber to the seats. And there you see A2D I put into the carpets. I like to have fun with the pump sprayer. And we tried something new today to see if it was going to be a little bit more satisfying for you guys. And it's going to be using a scrub brush instead of the drill brush. So let me know in the comments down below whether you like the satisfying noises and looks of the scrub brush or of the drill brush. We're always trying to look for some new angles here, so sorry about all of the testing going on. Just let us know your favorite angles down below and we'll be sure to provide. It's a little hard to work when the camera's in front of you, so we tried putting the camera this time in the trunk and looking down, but again, you don't get to see as much of that satisfying extraction, so we're going to continue to work on it and improve the videos for you guys. In this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Olivia Garcia, Charlie Canetto, and Emmett Conaway. Thank you guys for being loyal subscribers and watching all the videos. If you want a shout out in the next video, you have to be first, second, or third comment, and we will put you in the next video. Now in the top left of your screen here, I'll go ahead and circle it. I was just trying out that feature, so I'll get better at that. Anyways, that was where dog barf was, and the customer did not even tell us that there was dog barf there. We just cleaned it up, and that's something that we would normally charge extra for just because it smells, you know, and it ruins the machines and stuff. But they got it for free, so yeah, kudos to them, I guess. If you're interested in any products, tools, or anything that you see used in the video, everything is linked down below. They are Amazon affiliate links, so we do get a little bit of a commission. And yeah, go ahead and check some of those out. We have our drill brushes, our scrub brushes, vacuum, all our products that we use, pretty much everything, so you get a full insight in exactly what we're using, which not many people get. Enjoy some more satisfying extractions and vacuuming, and I'll check in with you guys right at the end of the video.
Oh shit, dude. What? Look at this. Thank you, sir.
Alright, coming up, you're going to see the nasty pour of everything from the seats and carpets, and it's pretty gross. But without further ado, that is going to wrap up the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel. And that's about it. This is so nasty. Thanks again for watching. Aaron, out.